Cutiecalities, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing a very quick video for you guys and show you guys how I'm decorating my house for Christmas. It's just the beginning. I'm still gonna be adding some more videos in my channel regarding Christmas decorations, but this is what I have so far. So I have my Christmas tree, a little bit of decoration in my living room and also in my dining area, so you guys will be able to see all that in the video. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of my videos in my face. And I'll see you guys soon on my next video. Bye bye guys, enjoy the video. How I'm gonna be decorating my... How are you all doing? I'm really good. I'm so excited for Christmas. Are you excited for Christmas? I can't wait for Christmas. And look what's up already. My Christmas tree. Hey, Christmas! Is the time to wear slippers. Mine is a cat one. Who is excited for Christmas? Hello Cutiecalities, welcome back to my channel. And is
the most wonderful time of the